Good evening, mom.
Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class Mathematics chapter number 10th chapter Surface Areas and Values. Today we will learn the exercise 10.4 remaining problems. In Telangana State Book page number 241. Today we will learn it 10th to 12th. 3 problems today we will learn it one by one. Are you understood of the previous class? Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
No doubts. Shall I start with the today class?
Yes.
Today is the 10th problem. First, let's see the problem in our textbook. Be carefully, listen better neatly. A metallic cylinder of diameter 5 centimeters and height 1/3 centimeters is melted and cast into a sphere. What is its diameter? This is the question. What is given, what is asked in this problem. First I will explain this problem. What is given? Cylinder of diameter is given and height is given, and that is the metallic cylinder is melted. That is the melted and cast into a sphere. Casted as sphere. That is nothing but cylinder is melted and to make a sphere or to form a sphere. Cylinder is to form a sphere. So next, what is its diameter? What's its diameter? Sphere diameter. How to calculate it only it is. Okay. What is this meaning of this one? Gagan say, what is the volume of the cylinder is equal to the volume of the sphere. Okay. Because the cylinder is melted and cast into a sphere, so that's why both volumes is equal. So how to find out the diameter of the sphere? How to calculate? Look at the blackboard. Be carefully listen but easily. Given that, first given data, how to write it in the given problem. Cylinder diameter D is given, that is the 5 centimeters is given. Cylinder height is given, H 1/3 centimeters is given. Cylinder is melted. Here the cylinder is melted and cast into a sphere. Cylinder is melted to form a sphere. So both values are equal. So to find what is its diameter, how to calculate the diameter. Let the solution for this problem. See the diagram, Gagan. This is the cylinder is given. And what is the given? Cylinder diameter is given. That is the 5 centimeters is given. Height is given. Cylinder is melted into a to form a sphere. So sphere diameter, how to calculate it? So this value and this value both are is equal. So how to calculate it one by one. First, cylinder diameter. Diameter D equal 5 centimeters is given. Diameter is given, but radius is not given. Directly is not given. So first, how to calculate the radius from the diameter? How to calculate the radius from the diameter? You already know. Half of the diameter is equal to the radius. So it's radius. Radius R is equal to half of the diameter. Diameter is nothing but 5 by diameter is given, that is nothing but 5/2. 5/2 is nothing but 5 divisible by 2. So 2 10. 2 2 ja 4. Subtracting of these two, how much of value we will get it? 1 only. So put the point in our position. Next 2 5 is the here is the 0. Now how to write it in the 0 right side of the remainder. So next 2 5 is 10. So 5/2 is nothing but how much of value got it? 2.5 centimeters. What's the radius? Radius of the cylinder is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Next, height is given. is give, that is 3 1 by 3 centimeter. How much of value is give? 3 1 by 3. This is the mixed fraction. First, mixed fraction is converting into the improper fraction. How will you converting into the mixed fraction to the improper fraction? You already learned that process. The previous grade is over. So, how to converting into this one? This is product of these two plus 1 by denominator. So, 3 cross 3 is nothing but 9. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 by 3. So, 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. 10 by 3 centimeters. 10 by 3 is divisible. 10 is divisible by 3. 3 3. Otherwise, leave it. Okay, 10 by 3 as it is writing, but don't do that division. Here it is why, because after a lot of simplification is very easy. Okay, leave it. Next, cylinder is melted and cast into a sphere is given. So, by problem, by given problem, cylinder is melted and formed and cast into a sphere, or melted to form a sphere. Okay, and cast into a sphere. Anyone know, right? Next, here it is it's over, and this is nothing but by given problem, cylinder is melted and cast into a sphere. That is nothing but volume of the, this is the volume of the cylinder is equal to the volume of the sphere. Okay, but because cylinder is melted only, so both are is equal. So that is nothing but volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. So, do you know the formulas? Volume of the sphere formula, volume of the cylinder formula. Do you know the Gagan side? Tell me the answer. Volume of the sphere formula. What's the formula, Gagan side?
4 by 3 pi r cube.
Pi r cube. Very good. But what's the formula for the volume of the cylinder formula? Do you know formula?
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h. Very good. These two formulas are using in this problem. Okay? Yeah, this one only. So, both sides, pi here is cancelled. And next, 4 by 3. Here it is the sphere. Sphere, radius, r cube, as it is writing. Next, r square, cylinder or radius. So, do you know the cylinder radius? Yes, we know that. We got it here. So that's why what's the cylinder? 2.5 whole square into height is given. That is the 10 by 2 is given. So we want the radius of the sphere. We want it. So that is r cube is equal to 2.5 whole square is nothing but 2.5 is divisible by how many times? 2 times is multiplied here is 10 by 3 as it is writing, and here it becomes before equal 4 by 3. After equal it becomes to the reciprocal of this fraction. So it is nothing but 3 by 4. Next, r cube is equal to 2.5 into 2.5. Here it is the both here 3 is cancelled. Okay, here it is the 2 table. Cancellation in the table of 2 table. 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So 2.5 into 2.5. Otherwise, into. Okay. Next, 5 by 2. Here is the 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but what's the value got it to? 2.5 only. So 2.5. So R cube, here it is the 2.5. How many times is multiplied here it is? Tell me the answer.
3 times.
3 times. So that's why 2.5 whole to the power of 3 only. So both sides powers is same or exponents is same. So cancel of these two. We will get the R value. What's the R value? How much of value you got it? R is equal to 2.5.
Yes.
Got it. But what is asked in this given question? What is its diameter is asked, not radius. Here it is the radius is we got it. Here radius is we got it. So we want the diameter. How will you find out the diameter? From the radius, you already know 2 times of the radius is equal to the diameter only. So that's why diameter D is equal 2 times of radius. Okay, 2 times of radius is nothing but 2 into radius. Radius is what's the radius? 2.5. So product of these two only. 2.5 into 2. So 2 5 are 10. 2 2 are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So put the decimal point. Here it is only. Why? Because here it is the after decimal point is only single digit only. So put the decimal point from right to left. Here it is only. So after decimal point 0, it is nothing but leave it only. No value. So that's why leave it. How much of value you got? 5 centimeters. So therefore diameter, sphere diameter D is equal to 5 centimeters. This is the final. Okay, are you clear? Otherwise, step-wise is also learn it. How many steps already you learned in the previous problem? Okay, ask the GAD. Yep. Previously. Okay. Yeah, that is the code form of this one only. All of the steps. Otherwise, simply is also writing. Yeah, this is the problem solution. It's over. Are you understood? Neatly. Yeah, very simple problem. First, your diameter is given. So first of all, you can find out the what's the radius. You have to find out the radius, and next that is the cylinder is melted to the sphere only. So that's why the both values is it is equal to equal. So we know that the formula and substitute the values are R values, cylinder values R and by utilizing the R and H value, and here it is a cylinder. Substitute the values, we get the R value, sphere value, R radius value, and next by getting the R value, we can find out the diameter of the D value, sphere D value, how to calculate it. So this is the solution for this problem. It's over. Are you understood? Yeah. Next we will move on to the next question.